Today I want to show you a sample quiz that I've created using Google Form. So this is the title that I've given. It's a sample quiz and I gave a description. It's optional. You can give it or you can skip it. First question that I added was a multiple choice. I gave it just two options just to try. So I actually set this form as a quiz. So if you go on settings, and if you go on the quizzes tab, you can uncheck it or check it. If you click it, it becomes a quiz, which means it assigns point values. It also allows automatic grading. You can also uncheck it if you don't want to actually associate a point value, but I want to show you how to do point value, so that's why I have the option checked. You can also make your students see the questions that they missed, or you can also give them um, the correct answers at the end of the quiz. If you don't want to turn it in right away, or if you don't want the students to see the results right away, you can say later. If you have open-ended, I would say later, but if it's just multiple choice and if you're automatically grading it, you could immediately grade after each submission. You can also collect email addresses. You can limit to just one response if you don't want them to retake it. I don't usually check it because personally, I like the option of having the option of retaking it, because then kids can actually try it, students can attain mastery, and they can keep reviewing it as many times as they want. If you want them to see summary charts, you can click that. I didn't click that because I don't want them to see it. Um, Edit after submit. This is not something I usually do because you just want them to do it once. And if they want to do it once more, they can come back to it, but not actually edit what they submitted already. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to go down and show you the second question I created was a question with a picture. So the way I did it was I'm going to show you by editing the question. So when I edit, there's an option right next to the question that lets me add an image. So if I click on the image, you can add it from your Google Drive. You can add it from a URL from just looking at Google. So I can search New York City and I can get so many images, so I can add anything that I want. So that's how I add that. You can also give pictures as options. So I'm going to add another option. So I'm going to edit this question. And I'm going to add one more option so you can see how I added it. So by clicking on C and add image, I go on search and I go false, and I added that. It's going to come up right there. Okay. I can also add open-ended questions, such as this, and I can associate points with it or not associate points with it. So that's up to you. Another thing that I want to show you is adding questions that involves math and science equations. So if I say, what is the formula for calcium chloride? And if I want to give options, I can actually click on this. This is a add-on that I've got from the store. And when I click on it, it would open up. I don't know if you see it here. It would open up a handwriting option where I can use my stylus to actually input calcium chloride. I'm going to redo it because my C didn't come properly. So CaCl2. Oh, that's not right. Okay, gotta try a few times. CA, C, A, C, L, 2. Oh my gosh, it's actually troubling me a lot today. Okay, another try. CA, C, L, 2. Should have picked something else. Okay, let me do this. N, A, 3, N. Okay, so I can add this as an option, insert math, and that's going to come up right there. And now add another option. Let me try the CACL2 again. Raise this. CACL2. Doesn't want to keep the C capital. C, A, okay, I'm going to try CL. Okay, I don't know why it's not working, but I can try it one more last time. One more time. Okay. Okay. C, A, C, L. Okay, I give up. But you get the idea. So I can basically write anything that I want to put it in, but you got to try it a few times. So this is an add-on. So if you can see it right here on my desktop. I have it here. It's EQUATIO. Okay. All right. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And I'm going to end this session right here. Thank you.